on the same team, and oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
As you can see in clip number 1, everything seems to be going fine until a silver charger decides to weave in and out of traffic without using their turn signal and going way too fast. This is an accident waiting to happen. In this clip, we're going to see a semi get over in the passing lane, which is going to reveal a white pickup truck slamming on their brakes. This is going to cause the driver recording the video to make an immediate decision to get over onto the shoulder. This is going to be to prevent a rear-end accident. Keep in mind this is happening in the middle of an interstate, which speeds are around 70 to 75 miles per hour. The driver, who is causing all of this, is eventually going to make the decision to get over onto the shoulder. I don't recommend doing this under any circumstance. If you pass your exit or find yourself confused or lost in the middle of the interstate, please, please, please make sure to get over onto the shoulder, put your hazards on, and figure out where you're at. As always, keep your eyes on the road and stay safe.
Sky gods were aliens. That checks out.
The Epic of Gilgamesh actually describes a hominid creature created by extraterrestrial beings.
And you have to think that Enkidu
have some serious issues.
just looking at his phone. He doesn't have a care in the world. It's just, I can see him looking down. Oh my god, dude. The correct thing would have been to back up, man. That didn't help at all. My god.
This truck in front of me has got a boot. On his rear bumper. It makes you wonder how long it's been there. Now, one might think, well, it just accidentally left it there and it's just made it this far. But
in a quarter mile, turn left onto I-35 West Service Road.
The cynical side of me says that they put it there on purpose to cover the license plate, which, by the way, is illegal. You can't even have a dirty license plate. If it's unreadable for any reason, you can get a ticket for it. So if he's in this lane, he should be turning left up here. Let's see if it falls off. Oh, it's holding on. Everybody gets way over there to the left, but the lane is actually where I'm at right now. It's still there. It seemed like it's so steady. It's almost like it's been stuck there on purpose to cover the license plate. But I mean, even if that's the mindset, if a cop wants to pull them over, that gives them probable cause right there. You know, your license plate's covered. Yeah, he's gonna keep going straight. I'd be curious to find out if that boot ever falls. That's pretty funny.
Stop Mr. Sullivan's ticket and rebook him on the next transport, Sultan said. I'm having the other retrieve him and bring him here. That should take a half hour or so. We're in recess until then. She stood and looked at Bourne. You're excused, but don't go anywhere, she said. Bourne got up. May I approach the bench, Your Honor? Meyer asked. Sultan blinked. What part of we are in recess are you having a problem with, Miss Meyer? She asked.
It's not me,
Please,
because I'm
Your
smart.
Honor, Meyer said. Sultan sat, grumpily, and motioned Meyer and Holloway forward. We need to talk about the disposition of substance, Meyer said. No, we don't, Sultan said. Aside from establishing an alibi for Mr. Bourne, it's not relevant to this case.